Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange eFootball points for players in eFootball 2024. So there are various player for reward. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the mission or objectives and challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the mission and I mean the shop, this one, the middle one, eFootball points. You can exchange eFootball points for rewards here. Just tap and tap the first one, player. Exchange your point for various player. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and different position player. If you need central midfielder, you can get Gareth Barry. If you need central forward, you can get Robbie Kane. This is all player, the iconic player from their respective nation or club. So if you need one of them, you can exchange by 500 eFootball points. So please free to try. Please use the eFootball points wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.